Everyone, on this occasion, we would like to present a tutorial on how to install AbstrakDAMSMEL. So first, what is AbstrakDAMSMEL? So AbstrakDAMSMEL is a Python package containing modules for you to perform continuous optimization. So it basically is constructed from the so-called DAMSMEL algorithm, a newly developed optimization algorithm. DAMSMEL stands for Directional Adaptive Matrix Sampling Minimal Expected Loss, which has been developed by our team as an independent research, and the research project is now available as a preprint. We would attach the link to that research project. So now let's talk about AbstrakDAMSMEL. On the other hand, AbstrakDAMSMEL is a Python package containing modules which is an implementation of DAMSMEL algorithm. So you can visit our package on our GitHub page here. We will present the link later on the description. So when you have been on our GitHub page, just scroll down up to the section of importing AbstrakDAMSMEL, and here you can see a few instructions on how to import DAMSMEL. Well, for your information, DAMSMEL is still currently available as a beta version, so it's still not a stable version. While we really hope that we can soon release a stable version for AbstrakDAMSMEL. Okay, let's get back to how to install it. So let's open a notebook. You can use with a notebook, or like what we use now, a Google Colab. So we're in the Google Colab now. So on this section, you can just copy this code to a cell and then run the cell, and then it will install AbstrakDAMSMEL package into your local machine. Just wait until the installation process is done. Okay, now AbstrakDAMSMEL package has been installed into your local machine. Let's get back to our GitHub page. Now we want to install the module inside AbstrakDAMSMEL, and there is a module called DAMSMEL itself. You can copy this code into your notebook and then run the cell. You're done importing DAMSMEL modulo. So now let's test whether it works. We will print the top string of this module. Okay, we print it. Yep, it's printed. It says, Alhamdulillah, DAMSMEL Python implementation has been completed. In this first stage, DAMSMEL is a continuous optimization method implementing iterative minimal expected loss of sample points with exponentially decaying distance. So you can now use DAMSMEL algorithm from AbstrakDAMSMEL for optimization purpose. So thank you for watching.